What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the White couple. Yesterday, on the Dex activity na Deck Gimia attends the Football Lottery event on Channel 3 at Central World Studio on 22nd of February. Mr. Campos, the Deck, they look so cute together with his best friend Mark Green.
วันนี้ไม่ได้เอารถมาครับ
So, they look so happy and enjoying being together. Mark Quinn and Adek got a short interview about the wedding, and Adek got a hot seat too. Dek Guinea revealed about asking his best friend on how he feels and prepared about the proposal on Kimberly Ann. And Dek Guinea and Rosales Pirban open up about their marriage soon. And the fans were so happy and waiting for the news. Yesterday, Rosales Pirban got her final video clip about her endorsement on Career. Rosales Pirban, her looks so beautiful wearing the frozen dress. She looks like a real princess.